Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I have the gloves on here because I don't know what's in here. I don't actually know. Most likely this was, something that they sent with the intention of it being a loaner so that I can talk about it. So I have no idea, but it's in one of these like special boxes. So I have to assume it's at least kind of fancy. So we have the gloves on just to be safe because it's not a review today. We're not gonna, we're not doing that. We're just doing an unboxing and first impressions. And I don't want my greasy, nasty, slimy fingerprints all over this beautiful knife while you guys are trying to enjoy it in up to 4K. So thanks so much to Polish Custom Knives for sending this in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. Make sure your notifications are turned on for the Metal Complex YouTube channel. I am a gigantic Herman Knives fan. You guys probably know that. If you didn't, I love Herman Knives. They're made in Poland. Primarily available, they are available in a couple other places, but primarily available on Herman Knives. On the Polish Custom Knives website. That's at least for those of you hunting out the super crazy ultra mega versions of these knives. That is where I would go. They have the most consistent availability when it comes to some of the more exotic stuff. So if that's what you're looking for, that's where you want to go. Let's open this up and see what we've got here. Okay, we have a sting and we have a card. Let's take a look at the card and do a bit of reading. That's your favorite part of, knife uploads, right, is reading. Sting, we have, DS93X, which I think is the Van X core. This is just, it's not Damas core. It's Damas steel. 61 HRC. Damas, titanium grade 5 Damas steel. The handle is also, what the heck? Did you guys send? Oh, we have a fade NO with a Damas steel inlay. How cool. Look at the high polish on that. Absolutely gorgeous. So, what we have here, titanium that's been fade anodized. You can see it's kind of, as we turn it, blue, like almost like a sky blue down to like indigo. Very purpley up here. Very, very purpley. Textured Damas steel for the inlay. Is that a Damas steel? Yeah, Damas steel backspacer. Damas steel pocket clip. And of course, Damas steel blade. Ooh, beautiful. Kind of an in-between polish. We still have some dark zones from the etch right there. So the sting is, people ask me all the time, like, if I'm going to buy a Herman knife, but I want it to be the best suited for EDC, what would you recommend? If you really, really, really want a big knife, I would recommend the Slim. But the best for EDC has always been and is currently the Sting. It is the best EDC-sized pocket knife. Not as long as the Slim, not as small as the B. The B is honestly a little small for me. Oh my God, the action on this one is crazy. The detent on this is also, these still come with the tool and the kit. I'm sorry, the pivot lubrication, if you want it. Where you're gonna go over here. So I have a Sting in M398. Beautiful action, smoother than the one I have from a couple years ago, and a much better detent. When I say better, I mean heavier. The detent on mine is fine, but it's kind of medium. This has much closer to the Slim's detent. God, the action is so good. Herman Knives is ever improving, and they, where they started off, the first Herman Knives that I ever handled were really good. And they have only gotten better. They've only just gotten continuously better. I do wish that this Damas steel inlay was on both sides. The nice thing is you have, the pocket clip here, breaking it up a little bit. The reason that looks like that's I'm wiping this out, this mark right here. It's not actually a zone where there was an ano. It's just like, it was like a fingerprint or like oil from somebody's hand, and now it just needs to be cleaned off a little bit. In fact, we can probably do that with this and with something like this. I'm glad you guys can't see me. I'm opening a microfiber cloth with my teeth because I don't want to use the one it came with. Okay, we're gonna wipe that spot off there real quick, and then we're gonna use the other one maybe to dry it, or we're just gonna use another section of this to dry this off because I want you guys to be able to see the true color on both sides, or close to it. There we go. It's just like that's just what happens if you get like, you know, maybe a drop of something or hand oils or something like that. And that is going to be the case. You know, you should consider that before you pick up an anodized knife that's got a lot of polishing, because, there we go, beautiful. Because that absolutely will happen when you touch it, right? As soon as if I were to take these gloves off and start handling this, it's not going to hurt anything, but it's going to reduce that, you know, vibrancy. You're going to get less color. Your hand oils are going to dull it, right? But really beautiful blue to purple there. I was saying that the pocket clip does break this up a little bit. Like on this side, what breaks it up is the Damasteel inlay. I still think it would have been cool to see it on both sides. But I can see why that would be tricky given that cutout for that pocket clip. I also wish that Herman knives would shrink their pocket clips down a little bit. Very cool. A lot of the stuff that I get, like I have a full Damasteel Ishtar. Like the whole thing is Damasteel. And I love it. I also have, you know, knives that are full, like I have the one that's in Ballon at my area where the entire thing is like a rainbow color. And then I've got, you know, ones that are full Damascus and Damasteel or Damacore. I kind of like, you know, for people who don't want so much busyness, the option to have like the half, like this is still considered, I think, a full dress build, but the option to have a half dress, like titanium, maybe a carbon fiber inlay, and then a Damasteel blade, or, you know, titanium with Damascus, and then you have like a mirror blade or near mirror blade. I think that that's cool that they offer that for people who don't want quite as much busyness, and typically that's going to cost less, so that's nice. This is a cool build. The blue and purple mixed with the Damasteel actually is a really nice complementing touch. I think it's cool. This is a nice knife. I'm glad that they are still tweaking and improving little things like the detent, but I maintain, you know, in the beginning, the Sting was the ultimate EDC profile for Herman, and it still is. You can still buy the base version of this knife, I think, for right around $700. The problem is that finding a Herman knife that is absolutely base, with, you know, like let's say it's just like stonewashed L-Max with a plain handle, it's really hard to find. Usually they've got some type of upgrade, but they are out there. They do exist. I've still seen Hermans listed periodically between $700 and $750. The best thing you can do is check the Polish Custom Knives website weekly. Refresh it. Pick a day. Set an alarm on your phone. Pick a day and refresh it. You know, because it seems like weekly or every 2 weeks they add new knives. That's going to be the best way to do it. Very cool. Hope you guys enjoyed. This has been fun to do a little show and tell, a nice little surprise from Polish Custom Knives. That's going to be it today from me. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.